Next question says, which of the following statements most likely lies within the realm of microeconomics? A, unemployment rises during a recession and falls during an expansion. B, an increase in government spending will increase the aggregate demand for goods and services in the economy. C, a rapid acceleration of the supply of money may create inflation. Or D, an increase in labor costs will increase the additional cost of producing another bus. So we have both micro and macroeconomics, and they focus on two different things. Microeconomics focuses on the firm level or the individual level decision making, whereas the macroeconomics refers to the more macro or zoomed out level of country level or international trade level aspects of the economy. So let's break this down. So first, talking about unemployment during recession and expansion, that's going to be on the macro level. That's talking about the overall economy. B says the increase in government spending, increase in demand for goods and services. Again, aggregate spending means spending in the entire country. Again, a very macro concept. C says a rapid acceleration of the supply of money may create inflation. Again, that's talking about the money supply for the country. It's talking about the availability of money in currency at a very large scale, and so it's still macro. And finally, D, an increase in labor costs, increasing the additional cost of producing another bus. That's more firm level. You're talking about the manufacturer of buses, right? So this is going to be the best answer here. And previous tutor said, as we know, economics has two main branches, commonly known as macro and microeconomics. Macroeconomics study is a study which concerns the whole economy and studies the behavior of an overall economy. On the other side, micro study is concerned about the person or firm and studies the behavior of individuals and firms while deciding the allocation of resources. Common terminologies used in macroeconomics are unemployment, aggregate demand, government spending, and inflation. And common terminologies in micro include different types of costs, buyers, and sellers. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Yes, agreed. Next question.